Today we'll be looking at indoor plants that thrive without direct sunlight. Whether you're dealing with a low-light apartment or simply looking to brighten up a dim corner of your home, these resilient plants are perfect for you. Let's explore 10 excellent options. Snake plant. The snake plant, commonly known as mother-in-law's tongue, is celebrated for its upright, sword-like leaves that come in various shades of green with striking patterns. It is incredibly tolerant of low light, drought, and neglect, making it one of the easiest plants to care for. Additionally, the snake plant is known for its air-purifying qualities, filtering toxins like formaldehyde from the air, which makes it an excellent addition to any room. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is another low-maintenance choice, with glossy, dark green leaves that reflect light and add a touch of elegance to any space. This plant is drought-resistant and can thrive in very low light conditions, including artificial light, making it ideal for offices, bathrooms, or dimly lit corners. The ZZ plant is also highly resilient to neglect, so it's perfect for those who are new to plant care. Cast iron plant. True to its name, the cast iron plant is exceptionally hardy and can withstand a range of unfavorable conditions, including low light, temperature fluctuations, and infrequent watering. It features broad, dark green leaves that add a lush, tropical feel to indoor spaces. Though it grows slowly, the cast iron plant is an excellent low-maintenance option for those looking for a plant that requires minimal attention. Pothos. Pothos, often called devil's ivy, is a vining plant that is both versatile and easy to care for. Its heart-shaped leaves can be green or variegated, and it thrives in low-light environments, including rooms with artificial lighting. Pothos is also an excellent air purifier, known to remove pollutants like benzene and carbon monoxide from the air. Its cascading vines make it perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. Peace lily. The peace lily is well loved for its elegant white flowers and glossy dark green leaves. This plant thrives in low to medium light conditions and is one of the few flowering plants that can tolerate lower light levels. Besides its beauty, the peace lily also helps improve indoor air quality by absorbing toxins such as ammonia and formaldehyde, making it a great choice for bedrooms and living areas. Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreen is an attractive plant with variegated leaves that can range in color from green to silver or even red. It is well suited to low-light conditions and is known for being one of the most adaptable houseplants available. The Chinese evergreen grows slowly but steadily and requires minimal watering, making it ideal for those with busy lifestyles. Philodendron. Philodendrons are popular for their lush, heart-shaped leaves and trailing or climbing growth habits. They can thrive in low to medium indirect light, making them ideal for offices, living rooms, and other low-light environments. Philodendrons are also forgiving of occasional missed watering, making them a great choice for novice gardeners or those who travel frequently. Maidenhair fern. The maidenhair fern is recognized for its delicate, feathery fronds that bring a soft, elegant look to any indoor space. This plant prefers shaded, humid environments, making it perfect for bathrooms or other areas with indirect light. While it does require consistent moisture, the maidenhair fern's beauty and unique texture make it worth the extra care. Spider plant. The spider plant is a classic indoor plant known for its arching, ribbon-like leaves and its ability to produce babies or offshoots that can be propagated easily. It thrives in low to moderate light and is exceptionally easy to care for. The spider plant is also known for its air-purifying qualities, which help remove pollutants such as carbon monoxide and xylene from the air. Dracaena. Dracaena species, such as the Dracaena marginata or Dracaena fragrans, are popular for their tall, spiky leaves and tree-like appearance. These plants thrive in low light and can add a tropical touch to any space. Dracaenas are also resilient, requiring only moderate watering, and are known for removing airborne toxins, making them an excellent addition to homes and offices alike. These 10 plants are not only visually appealing, but are also some of the most resilient options available for low-light conditions. They are perfect for anyone looking to bring greenery into their home without needing to worry about finding a spot with plenty of sunlight. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on indoor gardening. Thank you for watching and happy planting.